Music. What music do you like? I like listening to light music. I prefer listening to it while doing my assignments, and it also helps me to have a sweet dream at night. What music do Chinese people like? Pop songs, traditional and classic music are quite popular. Young people listen to hip-hop, and all people listen to traditional operas like Beijing operas. From when on, do schools begin to have music lessons? We start to have music lessons as soon as we go to primary school. Children learn to sing songs in the music classes. Should there be music lessons at schools? I believe so. First of all, music learning will bring something fresh to the academic study, which can make up for the lack of delight on campus. Secondly, music courses will not only tell the students how to play instruments, but also teach them how to appreciate music. Do many Chinese children learn to play a musical instrument? Yes. It's a kind of skill. They learn it before they go to school, and they learn to play the violin, flute, or some other traditional Chinese instruments. What instrument have you learned? I can play the flute. It's a traditional instrument in China. I play it when I feel lonely or stressful. What instrument do you want to learn in the future? If possible, I'd like to learn the paper. I like the sound of it, and it is really aspiring. What are the benefits of learning a musical instrument? It's a way of relaxation for children. Besides, girls are elegant when they play the piano or violin. My favorite music is I always listen to. Music keeps people company when they feel lonely. Music is the outlet of our pressure. I can play the pipper, a traditional Chinese musical instrument. There are 4 benefits of music. The first one is encouraging. When we feel depressed or upset, some songs can give us energy and cheer us up. The second one is the excitement. The fast and slow rhythms in the music can be exciting and bring us a brand new experience. When we listen to music, we can imagine fantastic scenery in our minds, just like we are traveling in the world. The third benefit of music is solving problems. Music can inspire us to overcome difficulties and frustrations. Although we can't find the way to get out of troubles from the music, it makes us feel better. Last but not the least, communicating. Even if you don't know how to speak a foreign language, you'll know other thoughts throughout the music. You don't even say a word. The way to enjoy music is the same all over the world, no matter where you live or who you are. Thanks for watching.